Hey guys, so my idea on this one was to go for a negative space pour, so I started with the border, some white, and what I really wanted to do is highlight this Aqua Flash color. It's just a really cool color, and then I added some blue and some yellow, and at the end there's not as much negative space as I might like, but some would still call it negative space, but I do like the way it came out. Let me know what you think. And for this one, I didn't use any silicone, so you'll see there's not really any cell development here, just some cool swirls. Just squeezing out whatever drops of aqua I got left here. The negative space really wasn't working out for me on this one, so I decided to just kind of blend it how I could.
Yeah, now that's a little more mixed in, I think I like that better. Come in for a close-up and then come back when it dries.